It's time for a Project Shed big update. Big update! I've not fixed my window. That's not the update. So let's have a walk into the garage. As long as I don't trip up. And we'll have a look at what our update is. And I have a plan as well. I have a plan. So, look at my desk. Right, so let's start this off. I got a message on Wednesday, Thursday last week from a guy called Kieran Smith, and unfortunately his engine blew up. Well, his turbo blew up, which took his engine at the same time, flooded it full of oil and knackered it. And he's like, car's going to the scrapyard. If you want any bits, let me know and come across. It's like, sweet, I'll come across, and we'll see what there is. So let's start off with down there. We have two immaculate wings with no rust, and obviously they're in the right colour. So that's an amazing, because now I've got bonnet, wings, wing mirrors, and front bumper. So then the front end will be done. And then he pops his bonnet and he went, I got some big plans. I was going to do lots of bits and bobs and upgrade things and change things and put new bits on. Like, okay, do you want them? It's like, yeah. I'll take whatever you've got. So freaking hell, guys. He literally started walking around his car and just pulling bits off. So I'm just going to go through what we've got. So on the floor, we've got another engine cover, just because it's not covered in oil and soaked in the oil in the back. So we have another engine cover, which is actually lied to as well. So on the bench, we have got, that goes with the armrest, because there's another armrest there, because that armrest is a lot cleaner than even the one I bought and fitted. He's given me a double-din CD player to go in the Golf. He serviced his Golf and put near enough a brand new filter in that's been in like a week. So he says, we may as well have that as well. So I've got near enough a brand new filter there. He's given me 2 tins of silver spray paint, which will colour match to the car. We have, what we got in this box? These are brand new rear bump stops. As you can see, look. Brand new rear bump stops, because he was going to do brand new back suspension when he lowered his car. So we got brand new bump stops. Then in this yellow box, I believe, are the brand new rear shock absorbers, the dampers. In this box, I think, is a brand new front shock absorber. I'm pretty sure that's what's in that one. That's a top bushing, I think, for the front end of the suspension. I think that's another top bushing for the front end of the suspension. In this box, not the suspension, engine, sorry, this is front end suspension. In this box, we have got 4 brand new timing belt. I think that looks like the water pump to me, the rear water pump. And obviously brand new belt in there as well. So he had the timing belt kit, which he gave me. Speaking of water pumps, this is ridiculous. Speaking of water pumps, that there is the secondary water pump, which apparently connects somewhere around the gearbox. I didn't know there was another water pump on them, but he's given me one of them as well. Over here, he went to Volkswagen, or ordered it off a line or something. Brand new 6-speed gator and the chrome surround, so that's brand spanking new, so that's going to go in the car as well. We have got a brand new thermostat. He's not 100% sure if this was the right one for the car at the time, but he said you may as well have it anyway. It could be for an Audi or something, he doesn't know, but he gave it me just in case it is. That there, I think he said it was the oil pressure sender. This is not pressure, but something to do with the oil anyway. Yeah, I can have a look at it, it's not a problem. He gave me the grill off his car, which he sprayed his badge black, because he could. I got this bootleg badge just there. I've got the battery cover, because my battery cover is broken. The guy was a legend. The guy is a legend, right? The guy, I'm going to turn my camera around. The guy is an absolute legend, right? The guy sorted me out. I didn't pay a penny for these, so no comment saying look how much money you spent, because I didn't spend a penny. I absolutely gobsmacked. Kieran, you are the man. The reason why I now know what plan we're going to go down is because I'm going to go down a similar route of what Kieran was going to do with his. So at home, he's still got an anniversary kit and an R32 spoiler. So yes, I will be buying the anniversary kit and the R32 spoiler off him. We're going to keep our R32 bumper, but then we'll have the anniversary side skirts, the rear bit on the back bumper, and then the R32 spoiler. And then because we've essentially got near enough brand new suspension, if I go and get a brand new set of lowering springs, we'll lower the car as well. So that's the plan. We're going to have an R32 / anniversary kit lowered on R32 wheels with lots of brand new bits and bobs. That's the plan. How awesome is that? How awesome is that? I also missed off brand new set of front Bosch wiper plates as well, because we put them on for like 3 or 4 days. So we may as well take them as well. What else? Lots of bits for the Golf. Look at all the bits. Look at them all. We got so many videos to do, guys, and so much freaking work to do. But this car's going to be awesome when we're finished. So I'm going to be 100% honest with you guys. I haven't done anything on the Golf this weekend. There's been no progress on Project Shed. My mum has come to stay with me for the weekend, and because I moved up north, she doesn't see me that often, so she spent the weekend with me. So I've spent the weekend like going out sightseeing with my mum and stuff like that. So no progress other than picking these bits up for Project Shed. The normal project progression will continue later on in the week. I'll stick this video up on Tuesday, so it should be Tuesday by the time you've seen this video. I have a video lined up for Friday, but it's a bit of a change. It will not be Project Shed, it will be a Ford Focus video. But that's a maintenance repair video. I'm doing a set of radius and pads, so it's an interesting video to watch. Those of you who are following me on Instagram, thank you for doing so. Those of you who are not, make sure you check me out on Instagram and Facebook and Xbox and everywhere. Massive shout out to the guys that's playing Forza Horizon 4 with me at the moment. There's a lot of us, and we've got Team Blued on the go at the moment. You guys are welcome to join if you're not so far. Add me on Xbox Live. Tag is Bloodshot, BLUUDSHOT, and we'll hit you up with some races. So I'm going to leave this video where it is, with all my goodness and my good bits and my wings and stuff. Before I start the actual next part of the project, I may actually get the window fixed. I'm going to see if I can pick up a regulator this week, get that on so I can get the car watertight, replace them interior panels like I'm supposed to be doing, and then continue the videos from there, because you guys are probably getting bored now watching stuff like that. So I'm going to get the door fixed, get the interior panels on, and then we'll continue from there with our new bits that we've got. Awesome. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I shall catch you very soon in another video.